Hello, today I will show you how to make next 2 rounds of a Blooming Joy blanket. This will be round 19 and round 20. So, okay, let's start with round 19. Slip knot, do it any way you prefer. And now we need to start our round with a standing front post single crochet around any double crochet which is made in single crochet. So for example, in this round, this is round 18, this round 17. In round 17 we have only one single crochet per repeat. It is at the top of this petal. So here, and so on, and here, and like this. So find any single crochet and double crochet made in this single crochet. So this is my double crochet and I will start around it. So front post single crochet. I already have loop on my hook, so insert your hook from front to back, from back to front, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And this is our standing front post single crochet. Now the repeat for this round is front post single crochet around next stitch, front post single crochet, chain 1, skip next 2 stitches, in next stitch cluster of 3 double crochet. So cluster of 3 double crochet, 1 unfinished double crochet, second, third, 3 unfinished double crochet, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 2, and 1 more cluster of 3 double crochet in same stitch. So 1 more cluster of 3 double crochet like this. So in this stitch we made cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 1, skip next stitch, this one, front post treble crochet around next 2 stitches. So this stitch we will skip, and around this 2 we need to make front post treble crochet around each of them. As you can see, this is 2 double crochet made in the same stitch. So front post treble, yarn over twice, this stitch you need to skip, next stitch, insert your hook from front to back, from back to front, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, front post treble crochet. Let's do front post treble crochet around next stitch like this. So now we have front post treble crochet around next 2 stitches done. Chain 1, skip next stitch, in next stitch this one, cluster of 3 double crochet. So cluster of 2 of 3 double crochet. Oops. So like 3 unfinished double crochet, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more cluster of 3 double crochet in same stitch. So 1, 2, 3 unfinished double crochet, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, another cluster of 3 double crochet. Now chain 1, skip next 2 stitches, 1, 2, front post single crochet around next stitch. So front post single crochet and front post single crochet around next stitch. So front post single crochet around the next 2 stitches, and the second one falls over in double crochet made in front post treble made around cluster of 3 treble crochet in the middle. So, and this is your repeat for this round. Let's do it one more time. So front post single crochet around next stitch, chain 1, skip next 2, cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and one more cluster of 3 double crochet in same stitch, like this. Chain 1, skip next stitch, front post treble crochet around next 2. So as you can see, also the front post treble crochet falls over 2 double crochet made in the same stitch. So front post treble crochet around next 2 stitches, like this. Chain 1, skip next stitch, cluster of 3 double crochet in next stitch, like this. Chain 2, and one more cluster of 3 double crochet in same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. So chain 1, skip next 2, front post single crochet around next 2. 1, 2, and second one falls in round double front post around double crochet made in single crochet. So this your repeat done twice. You will need to make this repeat 16 times in total. The repeat in previous round was like this, and now you are doing one repeat twice in one repeat of previous round. So your repeat of this round is shorter, and as you can see, once you making all front post single crochet, there are 3 in total. Like we started here, we have 2, and here we have 2, but once we will start our making our next repeat, we will start with a front post single crochet. So there will be 3 front post single crochet in total, like here, and the middle one always falls over in double crochet made in front post treble crochet made around cluster of 3 treble crochet, and next one, middle one, second front post single crochet falls over double crochet made in single crochet. So just to make sure, and your front post treble crochet are always around double crochet made 2 double crochet made in the same loop. So just to make, you don't need to count everything, but if something is point where you can check if you are in correct space. Basically, if your front post trebles doesn't fall around correct stitches, so this means you made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so continue around, make 14 times, 14 more times, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. So I am at the end of this round. Last clusters in same stitch with chain 1, 2 in between, chain 1, skip next 2, front post single crochet, and now I need to join 2 standing front post single crochet with a slip stitch like this, and chain 1 and cut your yarn, because next round will be in another color. So our round 9 15 is done, we have this short repeat all around. Okay, now round 20. So round 20 I will use this yarn, slip knot, any way you prefer it to do. And round 20 we need to start with a standing single crochet in any second front post single crochet. So we have 3 front post single crochet like in between. Choose any and make standing single crochet like this. Now skip next stitch and chain 1 space, front post double crochet around next stitch. It's our first cluster. So yarn over, insert your hook from front to back, from back to front, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Front post single, front post double crochet. In chain 2 space, 5 double crochet. So 5 double crochet in this chain 2 space. 3, 4 and 5 like this. Front post double crochet around next stitch, next cluster. Front post double crochet. Now chain 4, 1 2 3 4, skip chain 1 space, front post treble, front post treble and chain 1 space, and front post double crochet around next stitch. Next stitch is our next cluster. So like this, front post double crochet like this. You see this, we were skipping this part. In chain 2 space, 5 double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 like this. And front post double crochet around next stitch. Next stitch is our next cluster. So front post double crochet, skip chain 1 space, next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. Next stitch is our second front post single crochet. So single crochet in this stitch, and this is actually our repeat for this round. Really easy, I believe. If your previous round is done correctly, you don't need to count a lot, just repeat and repeat. Okay, so one more time. Front post double crochet around cluster, skipping 1 stitch and chain 1 space. In chain 2 space, 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Front post double crochet around next cluster, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, skip this part, chain 1, front post treble, front post treble, chain 1, front post double crochet around next cluster. In chain 2 space, 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, front post double crochet around next cluster, and single crochet in second front post single crochet, skipping chain 1 and first front post single crochet. So with your repeat done twice. Continue around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Last 5 double crochet in chain 2 space, 4 5, and last front post double crochet. And now I need to join to standing single crochet with a slip stitch like this, and chain one and cut your yarn, because next round will be in a different color. So our round 20 is done, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.